Guys, we got a 101 TMG rolling out of the shop today, a 750 candy apple red paint on a custom trailer package. Let's check it out. Now this rig's going on, man. Beasty Beef Barbecue. Y'all go check him out on social media. He's from Pennsylvania. Gonna load this puppy up, take it back home with him. So like I said, 750 on our trailer package, guys. We build all of our trailers in-house. We design them around your setup. We build them strong, double frame rail the whole way. Powder coated finish on this rig, and man, he went all out with the stainless steel shelving. Got a couple up here. We'll check some ones out on the back. But on the smoker, like I mentioned, this is a 750 gallon tank. So you get 3 doors, 3 sliding top racks. Counterweights are standard on this from a 500 up. Counterweight is a standard feature. We got the fold down stack with the winch assist. That'll help you get it up and down easy. Stainless steel fender topper, paint match TMG logo on the fender there. 1/8 inch steel, fabricated fenders, guys, no little floppy crap on there. Paint match Beastie Beef Barbecue logo with another stainless steel shelf on top of the firebox here. Came out slick. Step around to the business end of the firebox. 3/8 thick pipe on the inside, fully insulated, doors insulated as well. Holds heat great, makes this thing run like a dream. On the back side here, we've got 3 folding stainless steel prep tops. Folds up. Prep off of it, serve off of it, get to all your storage underneath. Makes it easy. Stainless steel fender topper on this side as well. Finish them off with a spare tire up front. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.